Hey friends, welcome back to Just4fun290. Today we have some super cool Batman vs Superman vehicles. We have the armored Batmobile that can fire projectiles and has a cape reveal. And we have this awesome Superman vehicle. This can also fire projectiles and has a pullback motor. These are both awesome and I cannot wait to open them. And here's what our new vehicles look like out of the box. First, let's check out this armored Batmobile. And this also comes with 3 battering projectiles. We can put these right in here. And then if we want to fire them, we just push down this button. And now let's get ready for the cape reveal. And to reveal the cape, we just push down this button. Now let's check out our Superman vehicle. How cool is this? We can put the projectiles right in here. And to launch them, we just push down here. And probably the coolest thing about this is we can pull back and go. Sorry about that, Batman. I didn't mean to crash into you.
You just made it Batman versus Superman.
Come on, Batman. Ugh. Lucky for me, I can get right back up again. And I'm coming at you full speed this time. And now it's missile launching time.
Did you forget? I'm the armored Batmobile.
Ugh. Did you forget I never give up? I'm gonna take this to the sky. And too bad for you, you don't have wings.
I sure do. Now let's take this to the sky.
Impressive. Now let's go head to head in the sky. Ugh. How about we call it a tie?
Sounds good. We'll finish this next time.